Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the dispenser module in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Remove the drip tray. Then use a Phillips-head screwdriver to unthread the 3 lower screws, securing the front dispenser panel. Slide the panel up to detach. Then disconnect the wire connector. Using the Phillips-head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit, unthread the 3 screws securing the module. Slide out the dispenser water line and disconnect the wire connector to fully release the old assembly. Before you install the new dispenser module, we recommend increasing the slack in the water dispenser line to make the installation easier. To do this, detach the lower grill and use a 7/16" wrench to depress the retaining ring to release the water line from the coupler. Push the line up through the door to increase the slack. Now insert the end of the dispenser water line through the hole in the module. Connect the wire connector and fully position the module. Thread the screws to secure. Reinstall the front panel by first connecting the wire connector. Align the tabs with the slots in the door and slide down. Rethread the lower screws. Replace the drip tray. Insert the end of the water line into the coupler until fully seated. Realign the grill and snap it into place. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.